I'm in Togo. Actually, okay, this is not how I expected my travel diaries to begin. I wanted my travel diaries to begin like, fancy vlogs here and there, me going to like really nice places, using like Emirates and all of that. That's how I expected my travel diaries to be, but no, it's not like that at all. We are in Togo and we are starting from here. Because we are doing all this on a budget, we had to do couch surfing, and fortunately our couch surfing host was like so nice to us. Okay, we are actually at the person's house right now. Our host is like really really nice to us. So I'm here with Elorm, Lauretta, and myself. Yes, I'm here with me, myself, and I, plus Elorm, and Lauretta. And things have been good so far. I feel like today I'm gonna give you guys like full on vlog, because yesterday I didn't get a chance to do a very good vlog because like I was literally tired. I didn't sleep the night before because I was told this whole thing. It was kind of impromptu, so I didn't have the chance to like get a good sleep. So on our way here I was just sleeping throughout. I could only take like few shots and all that, and you probably see the shots here. I'm gonna roll a clip, roll the clip. What they used to do abolo?
Instead of abolo.
What's the middle? No, seriously, what's the middle? Guys, if you know what this thing is made of, please let me know. Okay, I'm an airway and I'm supposed to know this, but it's so bad. Like, when my mother or my grandma or my auntie see this video, they'll be so disappointed in me for not knowing what this thing is made of.
What you think?
Maybe I know and I've just forgotten. I'm tempted to say maize, but no.
Buy your ice cream. You want ice cream?
No.
I put your ice cream.
Okay, yeah, buy ice cream, yeah. Sure.
There's this serious yam I wish you could try.
So I was 60 days. Okay, then I'm 1 CD. But anyways, I'm so happy. Like I'm just happy, like I'm in a good mood. Do you understand, right? You guys can see like I hope I'm able to transfer the energy from here to here. You understand? Welcome to Togo.
True.
Guys, the street is so clean. See,
That's true.
it's like they're sweeping. If sweeping is like we've been here for the last how many minutes?
That's true.
20 minutes, and they're still sweeping.
Okay, this one.
And it's not anything. They're just collecting sand from the streets. Like how beautiful. Ghana, what do they need to collect from the streets? Rabbits. They're just collecting sand. Wow.
Really clean.
I'm very sure like when you drop rabbits and stuff like that, you'll be in trouble, right?
I think so. I'm tired already.
Just spending their time sweeping sand. What do you spend our time doing? Sweeping rubbish, plastic. Border. My experience so far. Togo, please, you guys. It's not really visa free as they said it is.
Control your passport, people.
For real, it's not really visa free as they said it is. Like, yo, imagine if someone just like, you know how they're like, oh, it's visa free, so just carry your passport
with no
and
money.
you go, right? Go with no money. It's
No,
not true.
they will charge you.
Carry money, please, like as
Ghanaians,
much money as you
West
can.
Africans.
To be very honest, like West Africans.
Don't believe it.
I heard that Togo border is like
Benin
the worst
is visa free
so far.
too. So we're gonna see how
Yes,
visa
Benin is
free
also
Benin
visa
is.
free. We are going to Benin as well, but we don't know. Oh, by the way, Lauretta is vlogging. Hello.
Yes, I'm actually vlogging. Welcome to my channel, and you come follow me on my channel.
Okay, we are doing 2 countries, and our plan was to do these two countries like under $60. But you guys, the way things are, that $60 is not even like, I doubt we can do $60 because at the border, so much money. Internet here is like freaking expensive, you guys. This is not me giving a bad review about Togo, but internet is so expensive, yo, really, really expensive. Stay tuned, okay? I'm going to give you like good vlogs. I promise you I'll give you better vlogs because I didn't get a chance to do so much filming and all of that, but hopefully I'm able to give you guys full-on vlog, like the usual vlogs that I give you guys, something really cool. I'll see you when I see you. Okay, I'm talking too much already. If you are new here, please subscribe. My name is Lauretta. Elorm. Subscribe, okay? Bye. Oh my god, I'll see you guys.